The sacrum is a large, wedge-shaped vertebra located between the hip bones. It is widest across its superior portion and tapers to a point where it forms a joint with the coccyx. The sacrum functions as a wedge between the hip bones, and it transfers body weight from the vertebral column to the hip bones. The sacral promontory is a structure that forms a joint with the fifth and last of the lumbar vertebra. The anterior sacral foramina function as passage for spinal nerves that are emerging from the sacral region. On the posterior surface of the sacrum, we will see the median sacral crest, which is a remnant of the spinous processes of the individual sacral vertebra. Developmentally, the sacrum begins as 5 individual vertebrae that fuse together as we mature to adulthood. The fusion of these vertebrae together gives them a greater capacity to support body weight and then transfer that body weight to the hip bones. The coccyx articulates with the inferior end of the sacrum and is the last region of the vertebral column. It is not a weight-bearing vertebra when standing, but it does carry some body weight and support some body weight when we are seated. Figure 7.29 focuses on the major regions of the sacrum and the coccyx. The sacral promontory at the superior-most end of the sacrum forms a joint with the fifth lumbar vertebra, while the anterior sacral foramina provide passage for spinal nerves. On the posterior side, shown on the right side of the diagram, the median sacral crest is an elongated ridge that is traversing the midline of the bone. The coccyx forms the inferior base and is the final vertebra of the vertebral column.